Looking for a quick way to close an unresponsive application on Windows 11? You are in the right place. We have got you covered with simple and efficient methods. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we will explore the best ways to close frozen applications on Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Close the application directly. The simplest method is to use the built-in close button. Here is how you can do that. Click the close button on the applications window. If a message appears saying the app has stopped working, choose close the program or a similar option. Wait for some time till the application closes. If this method doesn't work, move on to the next method. Method 2. Close the windows via the taskbar icon. If the close button doesn't work, try closing the app from the taskbar. Right-click on the app's taskbar icon, select Close or Close Window option and wait a few seconds till the app shuts down. Method 3. Use keyboard shortcut. If your mouse is unresponsive, you can use a keyboard shortcut to close the app. Click on the frozen app to make it active. Press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard to close it. If this doesn't work, then try pressing the combination key for a few more times and then move on to the next method. Method 4. Use Task Manager to close the app. The next thing you can try is use the Task Manager to close an unresponsive app. Task Manager allows you to force close the unresponsive applications. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Now locate the frozen app in the Process tab. Right-click on it and select End Task and the task should be closed. Method 5. Terminate an app in Windows 11 settings. Windows 11 provides an additional termination option for specific apps. Go to Settings, then select Apps, then Installed Apps. Find the frozen app and click the ellipsis icon. Click Advanced Options if available for the app. Scroll to Terminate and click the Terminate button. Method 6. Use the Task Kill command. For advanced users, Task Kill is a command line tool that can forcibly end processes. Here is what you need to do. Type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Type task list to see running processes. Find the name of the frozen app's exe file. Type taskkill/f/im, name of the app.exe and press enter. And that's it. That was how to close unresponsive apps in Windows. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment below to share which method helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.